Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to a review of the Rheema RTE Electric Tankless Water Heater. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict if this electric tankless water heater is worth it. Rheem RTE 13 Electric Tankless Water Heater Overview. The Rheem RTE 13 Electric Tankless Water Heater is small and light in weight and can be installed in a variety of locations. It's easy to install as it has a simple, straightforward design. It also comes with clear instructions to guide you. This water heater is designed for small households and can provide up to 4.5 gallons of hot water per minute, which is enough to meet the needs of one low-flow shower or faucet at a time. It's equipped with a digital thermostat that allows for precise temperature control. What we liked: its simple design makes it easy to install. It is energy efficient, has an LED display that shows you the current water temperature. What we didn't like: cannot sustain huge water demands. Features: high temperature safety cutoff. The Rheem RTE 13 Electric Tankless Water Heater has a high temperature safety cutoff that automatically shuts off the heater if the water temperature exceeds a certain limit, providing added safety and peace of mind. This also ensures that the water produced is of consistent temperature. LED display. The unit has an LED display that shows the current water temperature, making it easy to monitor the heater's performance. Therefore, it would be easy to regulate the water heater if you feel its settings are not aligned with what you want. Compact size. The Rheem RTE 13 is small and lightweight, making it easy to install in various locations, including under a sink or in a closet. It's also designed to be energy efficient, which helps to reduce energy costs. Who is the Rheem RTE 13 Electric Tankless Water Heater best suited for? This water heater is suited for those with small households. It's ideal for those who want an instant, endless hot water supply for a single sink or shower or a small apartment. Verdict: so, should you get the Rheem RTE 13 Electric Tankless Water Heater? You should definitely invest in the water heater if you have a small household. The Rheem RTE 13 Electric Tankless Water Heater is a good option for those who need a small, compact, and energy-efficient electric tankless water heater for light use. It's easy to install, has precise temperature control, and provides an instant, endless supply of hot water. Therefore, if you don't have a huge water demands and needs, investing in this water heater is worth it. Thanks for watching.